Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. Today we're doing the LawMate glasses. So these are the PV-EG20CLs, so the CL stands for clear lens. We will be getting a darker lens option in, so if you do like the footage from this guy in the next video that we're going to show you, and you like the features and all the rest of it, shoot me an email directly and you can put your name down for one of the first darker lens options that we're going to get in. So I think we're getting about a dozen of them in. If they're not on the website by the time the video is up, please shoot me an email so you can secure yours, because they will go quickly. We're going to go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what they're all about. So as always, LawMate have the fancy boxes. We love the fancy boxes. Pull out our first insert here and we have our glasses themselves. So I've fully charged these guys up. They make me look like Clark Kent, maybe. You decide what you think. I think they look pretty good. Also in the box we have our charging cable, a handy dandy set of tweezers. These will come in really handy in the next video, and I'll show you why. We also have our instruction manual, our do not bend glasses warning, because there's a battery in each of the arms, so do not overly bend them. And as always with all our LawMate products here at the Spy Store, 16 gig MicroSD card, so you can get up and running straight out of the box. That's the unbox, guys. Make sure you click on the next video, because we're going to show you some footage from it. Not only here in our storeroom, but also I took them out on a little bit of a walk, and we'll show you what they're capable of. I'll show you where the MicroSD card goes, and I'll show you why these little things are going to be so important to get the most out of it. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.